Hey, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What did you get?
I got a card and $50. And now I'm gonna open this one. What is this? It's an Apple thing. Is it an Apple laptop?
Little lantern for
Oh, it's an Apple lantern.
your little lantern to hang out with your you know, you used to have little lanterns and you do stuff with them.
That is an iBook.
No, it's
Wait.
not. It's just
Oh,
the box.
this is pretty. I like that. I also like this one. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I know it was Under Armour.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Stefan.
Merry Christmas to you.
What do you have?
Have
I
fun
have
there.
no idea.
It's probably Lego. It better not be.
Oh, this picture. You spelled role model wrong.
I know. That's the point.
Is that clowns or downs?
Down.
Okay. Sorry.
The letter from whom?
Thanks, Megan. That was sweet. Snow globe, yeah!
So,
Oh, so sweet. Yeah.
oh, my today's
Thank
Can you give your mom the 2 cards I got her right there? Megan,
What?
2 cards on that present.
I have 2 cards.
What
from
time
my
is it?
husband.
No, what time is it? Dad, what time is it?
I don't know.
I mean, can I see the phone for a second?
8:30.
When you're done? 8:30? Seriously?
Oh, what is that?
Massage card.
Oh, massage, massage. That's good. I want that. I need massage.
Megan, this game was already
I need
pre-installed
massage.
on here.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, it's more than me.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm gonna
thank
kill you.
Yeah, from
Read the
my
card.
husband. I love the massage. Here, I'm going to massage.
You can spend the lottery on that.
Thank you.
I said you could use it for the lottery. You can use it for the lottery.